guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. So for today's video, I'm going to be using Makartt's Pink Polygel Full Kit. So let me show you what's inside. So first you get duo forms, which I won't be using this time. A whole lot of beautiful rhinestones. 4 jars of glitters. This one's iridescent. This one's pink. This one is a beautiful sapphire blue. And the last one is hollow. Next, you get these classic paper forms. The slip solution / surface cleanser. A 100-180 washable nail file. The brush and picker tool, which has the spatula on one side and the brush on the other side. And of course, base and top coat. You also get 6 different shades of polygel, so here's a quick close-up. So here's everything I will be using for this set. And I forgot to mention, the kit also comes with this mini lamp. Very powerful, very convenient. You just have to press on top to turn it on and off. And yeah, that's pretty cool. The only little thing that I didn't like with this kit is that the USB cord for the lamp doesn't come with the block. So if you don't have one, I guess you'll just have to plug it to your laptop or something. But hey, it's okay. It's not a big deal. I made it work. So yeah, now onto the fun part. Let's get started. These are the tips that I'm gonna be using. They are from BT Art Box and I got them from Amazon. I just make sure they perfectly fit from side to side for each nail. And do not worry, I will leave all the links in the description down below. And yep. Now these are my naked nails with leftover glue from my last set. So first I'm gonna prep them so they can last 4 weeks. As you can see, I'm pushing back my cuticles with my cuticle pusher, and then I'm gently scraping off all of the dead skin with the other side. This is so satisfying to watch, so I'm gonna let you enjoy with the music for now. this is how they look with the tips glued on, and this is how they look after shaping and buffing. Now I am applying a very thin layer of base coat to each nail, and then I cure for 60 seconds. I'm not sure what happened there. I think I received a phone call, so my camera just stopped recording. And I didn't realize until I was done with the thumb. So this is how it looks. This was my first attempt. It's okay, don't worry. I will be doing the exact same thing on the index and pinky. So I'm using 384. And I just squeeze it directly on the nail. And with little patting motions, I am molding the polygel into place. What I love with polygel is that you can play with it as much as you want. You can take your time because it doesn't cure until you put it under the lamp. I had so much fun doing this set, and it is beginner friendly. However, it took me so long. I definitely need more practice. As you can see, I always make sure to clean up the cuticle area, and this step will prevent lifting. So now on my ring finger, I'm gonna use these glitters and some cute butterflies that I got from Amazon. So this time I'm applying a thicker layer of base coat so that the butterflies can stick better. Now I'm going to add a few glitters just to give it a little A little fairy dust unicorn magical vibe. You know what I mean. And then I just went off with the glitters because there's never enough. Just look at this. Ooh. Finally, on my middle finger, I decided to do a ombre, and it was actually the most difficult part. For this video, I really wanted to only use the polygels that come in this pink polygel kit because I wanted to show you guys that you can achieve a beautiful kind of fancy set by only using the things that comes in this kit. But the ombre would have been so much easier if I would have blended with a nude polygel, but I really didn't want to use another kit. So this is my technique. I'm kind of adding more pressure to blend it into my natural nail. So yeah, I will let you watch me struggle. So this is the last step with the polygels. I'm going to encapsulate each nail with 381, which is clear, so that I can use my hand file to reshape and buff without filing off my design. a sticky layer with the surface cleanser so it doesn't get on my nail file. Then I make sure to reshape if needed and that the surface of each nail is smooth. And then I'm also perfecting the apex. Was to add these beautiful AB rhinestones at the cuticle of my ombre, but I guess I changed my mind. Guys, I know I'm a terrible person right now. I kind of deleted the footage when I was applying the top coat. Please don't hate me. Well, I still got the second best part, which is applying cuticle oil. This step just gave life to all of this work. So this is the final result. I did my other end off camera and I feel like it turned out even better. I hope you guys liked my first nail video, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe because there will be more. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.